In the journey of motherhood, dealing with coughs and colds can be a challenge. Keep these quick tips in mind. Stay hydrated, it's essential for soothing that scratchy throat. When it's time to rest, elevate your head. It helps with congestion and ensures a good night's sleep. For nasal congestion, try a saline nasal spray. It's safe and effective. Warm soups can be a cozy hug for your throat. And most importantly, always consult your doctor. They're your pregnancy superhero. Remember, a healthy mama leads to a healthy baby. And that's your minute of wisdom for today. Repeat, learn, and pass it on.